Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to autopilot your Tesla Model X. To begin, ensure your vehicle's software is current. Autopilot is a sophisticated driver assist feature designed to make your journey smoother and safer. It helps with steering, accelerating, and braking within its lane. Remember, it's crucial to stay engaged and ready to take control at all times. This system is a powerful aid, not a replacement for an attentive driver. Once your software is ready, engaging autopilot is straightforward. To activate traffic-aware cruise control, simply pull the right stalk down once. This will match your speed to the traffic ahead. For auto steer, which helps keep your car centered in its lane, pull the stalk down twice. Always maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel and be prepared to intervene. Your active participation is key to safe operation. Beyond basic autopilot, your Model X offers advanced features. Navigate on Autopilot actively guides your car from highway on-ramp to off-ramp, including suggesting and performing lane changes. Auto Lane Change, when enabled, allows your car to move into an adjacent lane simply by engaging the turn signal. Smart Summon can even maneuver your vehicle in complex parking lots, bringing it to you. These features enhance convenience significantly. While Autopilot offers incredible assistance, safety remains paramount. Always keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road, ready to take over instantly. Autopilot functions optimally on well-marked roads and highways. It's a powerful tool, but driver responsibility is non-negotiable. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can make your life a little easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.